Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to chapter 4 of Avadhuta Gita along with singing of its lyrics with brief meaning. Atha Chaturthodhyayah Avadhuta Uvacha
नावाहनं नैव विसर्जनं वा पुष्पाणि पत्राणि कथं भवन्ति ध्यानानि मन्त्राणि कथं भवन्ति समासमं चैव शिवार्चनं च.
Avadhuta said, Brahman cannot be invoked or abandoned because it is formless. Therefore, what is the use of offering flowers and leaves or practicing meditation and repeating the mantra? How can one worship that supreme beatitude in which both unity and diversity are merged?
न केवलं बन्धविबन्धमुक्तो न केवलं शुद्धविशुद्धमुक्तः न केवलं योगवियोगमुक्तः स वै विमुक्तो गगनोपमोहम्.
Brahman is not only free from bondage and liberation, purity and impurity, union and separation, but truly it is ever free, and I am that Brahman, infinite as space.
सञ्जायते सर्वमिदं हि तथ्यं सञ्जायते सर्वमिदं वितथ्यम् एवं विकल्पो मम नैव जातः स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Whether the manifested world is real or unreal, this kind of doubt does not arise in my mind at all. I am by nature blissful and free.
न साञ्जनं नैव निरञ्जनं वा न चान्तरं वापि निरन्तरं वा अन्तर्विभिन्नं न हि मे विभाति स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Neither darkness nor light, neither inside nor outside, nor any other diversity appears in myself. I am by nature blissful and free.
अबोधबोधो मम नैव जातो बोधस्वरूपं मम नैव जातं निर्बोधबोधं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Ignorance and knowledge do not originate in me. The knowledge of the self also does not arise in me. How can I say that I have ignorance or knowledge? I am by nature blissful and free.
न धर्मयुक्तो न च पापयुक्तो न बन्धयुक्तो न च मोक्षयुक्तः युक्तं त्वयुक्तं न च मे विभाति स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Brahman is not associated with virtue or vice or bondage and freedom. Nothing appears to me as united or separated. I am by nature blissful and free.
परापरं वा न च मे कदाचित् मध्यस्थभावो हि न चारिमित्रं हिताहितं चापि कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
No one is my superior or inferior. I have no idea of neutrality, nor do I have any enemy or friend. How can I speak of good and evil? I am by nature blissful and free.
नोपासको नैवमुपास्य रूपं न चोपदेशो न च मे क्रिया च संवित्स्वरूपं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I am neither the worshipper nor the object of worship. Instructions and rituals are not meant for me. How can I describe the nature of absolute consciousness? I am by nature blissful and free.
नो व्यापकं व्याप्यमिहास्ति किञ्चित् न चालयं वापि निरालयं वा अशून्यशून्यं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Nothing pervades Brahman, nor is anything pervaded by Brahman. Neither has it an abode, nor is it abodeless. How can I describe it is full or empty? I am by nature blissful and free.
न ग्राहको ग्राह्यकमेव किञ्चित् न कारणं वा मम नैव कार्यम् अचिन्त्यचिन्त्यं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्माणमनामयोऽहम्.
Myself is not the perceiver nor the object of perception. It has no cause or effect. How can I say that it is conceivable or inconceivable? I am by nature blissful and free.
न भेदकं वापि न चैव भेद्यं न वेदकं वा मम नैव वेद्यं गतागतं तात कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Myself neither destroys anything, nor is it destroyed by anything. Neither is it a knower, nor is it knowable. O dear one, how can I describe it as coming or going? I am by nature blissful and free.
न चास्ति देहो न च मे विदेहो बुद्धिर्मनो मे न हि चेन्द्रियाणि रागो विरागश्च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I have no body, nor am I bodiless. I have no senses, mind, or intellect. How can I say that I have attachment or detachment? I am by nature blissful and free.
उल्लेखमात्रं न हि भिन्नमुच्छैः उल्लेखमात्रं न तिरोहितं वै समासमं मित्र कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Forceful assertions cannot change Brahman, nor does denial of Brahman make it disappear. How can I say, O friend, whether Brahman is always the same or not? I am by nature blissful and free.
जितेन्द्रियोऽहं त्वजितेन्द्रियो वा न संयमो मे नियमो न जातः जयाजययुमित्र कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I have subdued the senses, and again I have not subdued them. I have never cultivated self-restraint or religious austerities. O friend, how can I speak of success and defeat? I am by nature blissful and free.
अमूर्तमूर्तिर्न च मे कदाचित् आद्यन्तमध्यं न च मे कदाचित् बलाबलं मित्र कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I do not have a form, nor am I formless. I have no beginning, middle, or end. O friend, how can I say that I am strong or weak? I am by nature blissful and free.
मृतामृतं वापि विषाविषं च सञ्जायते तात न मे कदाचित् अशुद्धं शुद्धं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
O my dear, death and immortality, poison and nectar have never emanated from me. How can I say that I am pure or impure? I am by nature blissful and free.
स्वप्नप्रबोधो न च योगमुद्रा नक्तं दिवा वापि न मे कदाचित् अतुर्यतुर्यं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
For me, there is no waking or dreaming, nor any posture of yoga, nor is there any day or night. How can I say that I am in the third state of sleeping or in the fourth state of transcendental? I am by nature blissful and free.
संविद्धि मां सर्वविसर्वमुक्तं मायाविमाया न च मे कदाचित् सन्ध्यादिकं कर्म कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्माणमनामयोऽहम्.
Know that I am free from everything and again not free from anything. I have no Maya, illusion, nor its multiple forms. How can I say that I shall have to practice daily obligatory religious disciplines? I am by nature blissful and free.
संविद्धि मां सर्वसमाधियुक्तं संविद्धि मां लक्ष्यविलक्ष्यमुक्तं योगं वियोगं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
Know that I am completely absorbed in Brahman. Know that I am free from aim and aimlessness. How can I speak of union or separation? I am by nature blissful and free.
मूर्खोऽपि नाहं न च पण्डितोऽहं मौनं विमौनं न च मे कदाचित् तर्कं वितर्कं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I am neither a fool nor a scholar. I am neither taciturn nor talkative. How can I describe Brahman through argument or counter argument? I am by nature blissful and free.
पिता च माता च कुलं न जातिः जन्मादिमृत्युर्न च मे कदाचित् स्नेहं विमोहं च कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्.
I have no father, no mother, no family. I belong to no race. Never was I born, and never shall I die. How can I say that I have affection or delusion? I am by nature blissful and free.
अस्तं गतो नैव सदोदितोऽहं तेजो वितेजो न च मे कदाचित् सन्ध्यादिकं कर्म कथं वदामि स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्
I never disappear. I am ever present. There is no light or darkness in me. How can I say that ritualistic injunctions are meant for me? I am by nature blissful and free.
असंशयं विद्धि निराकुलं माम् असंशयं विद्धि निरन्तरं माम् असंशयं विद्धि निरञ्जनं माम् स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्
Know for certain that I am free from perplexity. Know for certain that I am eternal. Know for certain that I am immaculate. I am by nature blissful and free.
ध्यानानि सर्वाणि परित्यजन्ति शुभाशुभं कर्म परित्यजन्ति त्यागामृतं तात पिबन्ति धीराः स्वरूपनिर्वाणमनामयोऽहम्
Oh my dear, the wise men give up all types of meditation as well as all types of action, good or bad. They drink the nectar of renunciation. I am by nature blissful and free.
विन्दति विन्दति नहि नहि यत्र छन्दो लक्षणं नहि नहि तत्र समरसमग्नो भावितपूतः प्रलपति तत्त्वं परमवधूतः
Where the intellect cannot reach, how can there be any form of composition? The great Avadhuta, after purifying himself through meditation and becoming absorbed in infinite bliss, has sung spontaneously about Brahman. इति श्री दत्तात्रेय विरचितायाम् अवधूत गीतायां स्वामी कार्तिक संवादे स्वात्मा संवित्युपदेशो स्वरूप निर्णयो नाम चतुर्थोऽध्यायः. Here ends the fourth chapter of the Avadhuta Gita of Dattatreya, the Swami's instructions to Kartika, entitled Determination of True Nature.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿಮೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.